testimoni saya pasal slip disc ni, saya very skeptical. Sebab saya pernah operate slip disc. I suffered from slip disc 2017. And 17, 18, 19 saya akan pergi cari macam-macam urut, sampai pergi kat Kelang dia pakai hammer untuk betulkan tulang belakang pun saya pernah buat.
Mahal tak chiropractor?
Tak mahal, of course lah. Kalau chiropractor ni sekali pergi RM160. Ada yang jenis dia buat package, kena bayar dalam 3,000 untuk berapa session macam tu. Mahal.
Tapi tak baik-baik.
Itu chiropractor ni hanya temporary. Dia slip disc ni tulang move. So dia chiropractor ni dia betulkan tulang tu masuk balik, tapi dia akan keluar juga. Walaupun kita tak ada hyper ke, tak ada extra work macam itu. So saya kena slip disc 2017 dan 18, 19. I go for all this treatment. Sampai kena PKP, semua tutup. That's when I really suffered. So I tak ada pilihan, I pergi operate. I did laser operation di KPJ 2020. And lepas operate tu doktor kata will last about 3 to 4 years. Then you have to come back for treatment again. That's when okay lah, masa tu kita dah sihat, tak kisah. But lepas tu everything was okay. 2023 bulan 9 saya kena balik, and it was worse than before. Worse than before. I was bedridden for 3 weeks. Kalau nak jalan dalam rumah, nak pergi toilet pun kena pakai crutches. It was that bad. Masa tu lah saya terlantar, baring je, tak tahu nak buat apa. So saya buka TikTok, tengah search for treatment. What's the best treatment I can do for my slip disc kan. Masa tu lah terjumpa Alora Plans daripada B International kan. So I did study. I cuba check what Alora Pants ni ada. Bila dia kata far infrared ni, far infrared I'm familiar because chiropractor, physiotherapist memang use far infrared.
I see.
To heal the nerves kan. So dia kata ada Alora Pants, pergilah. Saya pergi cari. I went to ABC center dekat Taman Molek, look for the pants. And dia nak terangkan kat saya pasal pants ni. I say no need, I just want the pants. Dah 3 minggu kita kerja, 3 minggu terlantar, and I bought the pants. I terus pakai kat situ.
Okay, pakai dekat situ juga, dekat center.
Dia dekat first floor. I kena pakai tongkat naik atas. I was expecting I pakai tu terus hilang. Yalah, mana sakit.
Nak any book
So I beli kat situ, pakai terus. Dan bila I pakai, I balik lah. And I ikut apa yang I punya upline kata lah. Cici Ibrahim dia kata you must wear 24 hours. Remove only when you take a bath, and minum banyak air. This is something memang seluar ni ketat, susah nak pakai. And biasanya lelaki tak suka, perempuan aja boleh pakai. Tapi when you are in my situation where I dah sakit and can't even jalan, I will do anything people say.
So you pakai one size bigger or macam mana?
Exact size.
You pakai exact size.
Memang nampak seluar macam budak kecil, macam I pakai.
Kenapa sakit? Exact size.
Exact size. I tak ada according to the measurement dekat box tu. I bought the exact size. Hari pakai.
Pakai day and night macam mana?
Masa I pakai tu, I pakai 24 hours.
24 hours.
24 hours saya pakai.
Time mandi.
Pagi masa mandi dia buka. Dan dia pakai. Ialah keadaan I dah macam itu kan. So when on the second day I pakai first day, second day. Hari ketiga I bangun pagi, sakit I hilang langsung.
On the third day?
Third day.
Oi, gila.
I just woke up. I dah fikirkan Allah, apa my prayers were answered. Mungkin ada orang bedah sial, apa bedah gaib malam tadi. Just like that, the whole thing hilang macam tu je. Sakit that's when I was interested on this pen, and di masa saya di hospital
Apa ni, beli pens dengan sock?
yes,
Itu belum
lagi, just pens and sock. And bila I dah sihat, I do fikir lah. When I was in hospital dulu, I ada satu hospital lah 9 hari, ada lagi satu hospital seminggu, going for treatment lah, pergi physio.
How much did you spend for hospital punya?
That was close to 50,000 for the surgery plus physio, everything. Yeah, that's a lot of money. But masa tu saya tak tahu ada Alora pens. If I had known that, I wouldn't have bought. I wouldn't go for surgery. Surgery is very risky, especially sleep disc surgery. You can be paralyzed, boleh lumpuh if the surgery did not go well. Tapi keadaan I masa tu, I just want to be cured. I just went for it. After I was third day, I was completely cured. I pergi cari kawan-kawan I yang sakit sleep disc, because I was in hospital 9 hari, 7 hari. So they come to visit the same doctor. So kita kenalan, jumpa dekat physiotherapist punya ni kan. So we got to know each other. So between 2020 to 23, kita always keep in touch. Ada kawan akan kata, pergi aku puncture kat sini, rasa okey. Ada seorang lagi kata pergi urut kat sini. We were sharing our information. So I put this Alora pens in my group. Straight away 6 orang
Beli?
Betul ke dia? Cakap, yes, because we know each other lah. Saya betul. Saya trust saya betul. Saya mana nak beli? Come, I pergi jumpa dia orang, I sign them out, dia orang beli. Alhamdulillah, the last one was 6 ke 7 hari dia kata finish all.
Masya Allah.
That was the best part.
Sekarang ni Abang Din ada whole series dah, the try semua?
Yes, I have the whole series.
Yeah, the shirt and everything.
And I'm still wearing the one I bought first.
The first still
Last year. Last year sama sekarang okey. Still ada grip. Basuh je dia akan kembali, the grip dia akan kembali.
So you recommend dual pants ke macam mana kalau yang
one set, 2 pants lah.
2 pants
Two pants is the best. Tapi kalau kita pergi like we are in Shanghai now, I cannot depend on 2 pants. I have like 5-6 pants. I cannot live without these pants because it's so good. You feel light if you're wearing it. You feel very healthy. I've been on wearing these pants and I have the full set. I would recommend 750 pants, 750, 780. Kalau sakit, you'll spend more than
berpuluh ribu.
Yes.
So thank you Syabani. Last word for those yang dengar this live ni, what's your advice lah?
Alora pens is the best creation lah, I would say, for people who has got health problems. Ubat ni boleh tahan sakit aja, but for me Alora pens has really cured my back pain, my knee pain, and I used to get cramps when I sleep. Sekarang dah tak ada dah, because go and find out apa itu Alora pens, what is the technology behind it. You akan percaya. You should try. Even though kalau you sihat pun, you wear this pants, you buy and wear this pants, you will feel the difference.
That's feel the difference. Kalau kita sihat dulu kan.
Kita rasa kita sihat, but we don't know what our inner body is happening.
Okay, terima kasih Banding.